Yo, it's Crazy Gamer 622 here from the Crazy Gamer Studio, and welcome back to another video. But today, one second. Today we're going to be playing Subway Surf, which is actually our first proper video. And subscribe for more, and if you want more, please write Subway Surfers in the comment section below. That would really be handy. And like this video if you enjoyed. I've only just downloaded this and started playing, so you haven't missed anything. It's all from scratch. Get that G. What? Crap, that wasn't very good, was it? Why did I do that? Oi. I'm not that good, am I? Jesus. Oh wait, wait. No, I don't know Facebook. I don't have any. What? Ha! He's in a bunny outfit. That is so funny. I literally haven't played this game in so long. It's actually really old. Yeah, Subway Surfers is really old. Usually when I was younger and started to play it, I was like so fast. I was like, this time, just no. Oh! So I'm doing great. Run. Oh! Yay! I missed that thing. I was too busy looking how cool I looked when I was jumping up there. Oh, snap! Oh. I'm actually pretty newbie at this game. Only because it's been so long since I played it. So if my voice keeps on going low and high, I just speak normally and then it's not that much, so I need to get louder and then I start getting lower. And I'm sorry if it's annoying you, because it's annoying me actually how much I keep on changing, but I just want to make sure you guys can hear me. Oh, we got a daily challenge complete already, and we've only just started playing. Jeez. Oh crap. Everybody says that the bouncy shoes are bad, but they're actually really good. Almost hit the top of that. By the way, this game is free on the App Store. If you want to download it, you can. Well, on mine though, it would be the Google Play Store because I'm on Android. I think it's available in any game. Money, nice. Not that bad. No, we won't double up. Alright, let's play again. I keep on thinking you can double tap. Oh, you can. I keep on thinking you can double tap to like go faster maybe, I don't know. But I missed this game so much. Oh yeah, I forgot what they did actually. I thought, oh crap, why did I do that? But don't worry, I didn't swear. Oh, that was close though. I mean, it was just crazy. Oh, you collect Easter egg. Well, that makes sense. Ow. Crap. He's after me. He's after me. I'm going to try to be as child friendly as possible. I might swear. I don't know. It depends though. Because sometimes I just get really frustrated with the game. But I'm guessing everybody does. Crap! 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 Damn! Dun, 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 dun. I'm always upgrading my scores, which is pretty cool. Whew, I don't know how much money I have. I'll check in a sec. I miss this game so much. And if you want me to play more like never-ending fast-paced games, just like and subscribe, and just write in the comments what other games I should play. So yeah. How is he like not running out of breath right now? I mean, he's running for like forever, and he's just like. And how is he getting faster? Usually he'd start off slow and start getting fast. Really weird. Who's that? No. I wonder how much Easter eggs you guys got. If you want to tell me, you can leave a link in the... I keep on saying that. You can thingy. You can always just tell me how many you got or what you got. Because once I got a candy pizza, which was cool. I think my nan got it from Asda. Yes, my nan. I live from my nan. So many missions have just been completed. I know, I don't. See, another high score. Jeez. This game will probably, this video will probably go up for like 15 minutes for you guys. I don't want you guys to get bored, so I'm gonna try and get as much videos done in a day for you guys, so you get entertained really, instead of just looking on YouTube what to watch. Not that there's bad YouTubers out there. I'm just saying that if you ever get bored of watching the same person, just always come, because we'll always have some surprises for you guys. Never forget that. Yay! 1748. Yeah. I don't know, this is no one in my top one. For now. Oh, what's this? 10 multi. What? I don't even know what that does. Yeah. I was gonna go the other way, but then there was a train there and I didn't get time to move. Damn it. We'll have 2 more rounds after this, and then I think that's enough for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video I posted up on just earlier, the bottle flip challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you want more challenges, obviously you can leave a comment in the comment section below as well. And please subscribe. I know I'm not the best of YouTubers, but I'm trying for you guys. I'm sorry I keep saying you guys, it sounds really annoying, I bet. But I just want to make you guys happy. I keep on saying it, I'm sorry guys. Why do I keep on saying that? But please like the video. I mean, I put quite a lot of effort into these videos for you guys. And I don't want to keep on bragging about it. You understand me, right? It's just I just want some subscribers, really. I want some people that actually enjoy what I'm watching. Know what I mean? I try my best for you. And I'm not saying, like, you're doing wrong because you're not subscribing. It's your matter of opinion if I'm good or not. But I'm just saying, I'm trying hard for you. So guys, that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Yo, 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 I am rolling out.